Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon. I've got in front of me an Ilusion 690 or XMK690 for something like this here, looking around 90,000, approximately 90,000 euros, that is, approximately. Let's have a look at this vehicle. So it's in the 7-meter class, and so coming in, I notice we've got a blue light, welcoming. Now we can see there's a bed up there. We've got a table which will move up and down, sitting group here, captain's chairs obviously will turn round if necessary. We've got a kitchen block here. We've got quite a wide corridor, at least it seems that way to me, and we've got the wet room on the right, German layout here at the back, and we can have here an absolutely enormous bed if we so want. But let's have a look at what's under the bed to start off with. So under here we will find there is a wardrobe, and on the other side there's there's also a wardrobe there, so a lot of space in there. There we've got some drawers, and there we've got a cubby hole, and we've got steps up here into the bed, which of course will come out if is necessary. And I'll open this up even just to show you. This bit here, this will come out like that, and this slides down like this. And we've got two units here, two mattresses. Notice one is thicker than the other, and there's a good reason for that, because here is two different heights. This one will go up there. It's not going to be done very well because obviously I'm just sort of using it with one hand. This one will come down here, that'll come in there like that, and that is, sorry, it doesn't look very neat, but you get the general picture. If I had two hands to do it with, it would be much easier. But that's the size of the bed. Somewhere there'll be a ladder to go here, so you can climb up the ladder. You can see you've got bits there to put the ladder onto. Push this back in so it's nice and neat, and that'll clip on there like that, and we'll put this to one side. So storage at the back, blue light in here, cubby hole, handy for keeping empty cans of beer in, and storage up there, and it's wired for a reversing camera. Nice big skylight there, and so looking down we see fridge here. Clever fridge, opens both ways. They've taken the internal stuff out, probably for shipping, but storage at the bottom, and we've got drawers here. Note proper sides to them. It comes with 12 volt, it comes with 230 shore power hookup, and here 3 burners. They've taken the fittings out again, or maybe they were shipped like that. And there's a large sink, storage, toilet here, shower there with a very deep shower tray. There is the shower head, and there we have skylight in there. Where's the sink? It's here, and it's also got a sliding door here as well. Very good feature in my opinion. Here, table will move up and down. The table itself is manufactured, or at least the tabletop, by a Spanish company, Porcelanosa. They make they make hotel fittings, and including for showers, and bathroom fittings as well. And this table, the kitchen top, is also from Porcelanosa. At the top here we've got the bed. The bed will drop down. Here we've got, from Lippert Components, we have got a key, and so if we turn the key there like that, and I press this button here and press the button, and what happens? And yep, that's about it. And there's a bulge in here. What's caused that? It's the ladder to get yourself and bed. Ladder goes here. And so that's your nighttime position. Let's put the thing back up again. Note we've also got storage under there, and storage at the front as well. You see it's on a Fiat Ducato base, and extractor for the kitchen, storage up here. There's also storage above the fridge should that be necessary. This is meant to be a place for, I think it's meant to be where the television's supposed to go up here, or maybe you could keep your television here flat and then it sort of comes out, something like that. Right, a couple of points here. I'd mentioned the insulation that they use. In fact, the insulation stability system uses fibroplast. So it's something called fibroplast puzzle system, which is designed so that when the vehicle's in motion, you don't actually hear everything sort of shaking and moving around. So they're quite keen on that one. Ilusion's manufactured in Spain. In 2024 they opened the second factory, which was an unfortunate timing because of the way the market has gone down, but anyway, we'll see how well that goes. I think they're getting on towards about 1,500 units a year in total. I think. Oh, sorry, there will be once the second factory is completely online. Somewhere around that way. So it's an independent company. It's not a part of Trigano or Pilot or something like that. Oh, Heimer. Yeah, so I'll turn that one round, put that round like that, and good. I think that's it. We've got it, the extension to the kitchen, and here garage. There, large garage. Grills are for the fridge, three-way fridge, so it runs off gas, as well as 240 and 12 volt whilst the vehicle's in motion. Of course, whilst the vehicle's in motion, it sort of just maintains the temperature, it doesn't get it any colder. At least that's my experience. In the door, notice there's a bin and a window. I really do like a window in the door. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. I'm at Caravan Salon. I come here every year and I film what is new. I'm particularly interested in new equipment because the technology bits I find is particularly interesting. So I can say the time I've been living in a motorhome, how things have got so much easier on electricity. The idea of running out of electricity is something which really doesn't go in mind any longer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hello. Hello. Sales.